have a new adventure here.
Welcome to Varna.
Welcome to Varna. We decided to come to Varna, Bulgaria, the third biggest city in the country. But we decided to do it in low season. Why? Because we can. So let's explore a little bit what we can find in Varna, Bulgaria in low season. What can we do today, like in Varna? Yeah, there's not much things. Around there, in the city, is okay. There are things there to do. There are things there to do. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The other side.
What she said, what did she say?
160, so
Ah.
320. Yeah.
It's 168.
160.
No, I don't have it. It's not enough.
Yeah, I'm checking. There's like nothing to do, right? It's like,
Even the dolphinarium may be closed. Yeah.
have you done anything cool?
What's that?
Have you done anything cool these days?
No, I guess it was raining.
If we can do something today, like which kind of plans?
Экономический университет.
Universidad?
Да, экономика.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
The Sevastopol, there are a lot of cafes. And
Okay,
that's
that's it, right? Like everything is like closed.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know really.
Bye. The summer map.
I want to see where somewhere over here. Not very clear because it's the off season and everything is closed. It's only me and Alan here. Trying to figure out where we're on this map.
Okay, we know we love to travel off season. This apparently it's one of the main spots in Varna if you are on season. That is not what we do. As you can see, just a couple of people from here. Hi. Hi. Couple of people, but this is like off season. That's why we're wearing jackets. And normally this will be packed, but as we can hear, we are fixing stuff. This is the beautiful sea, one of the best cities in Belgium, but also charming off season.
Wow, what is this place like in the summer? It's busy?
What I like restaurant. What restaurant I like
Yeah.
in summer? It's sea terrace.
Sea terrace?
There.
It's very busy, lots of
Very
tourists
cozy.
in summer.
Looks harbor.
Okay.
Harbor looks and very cozy. And upstairs and outside in big balcony, big terrace. In room.
And now it's closed. Everything is closed.
I think it's open in 12.
Ah, okay, okay.
Walking time in the door.
And this area,
Yeah,
it's always
left
closed.
side, Yeah.
It's always closed now in
No,
season.
This is open, but it's very simple. Smell fried something.
Okay.
What's your name?
Alexander,
Alexandra. Thank you. Have a nice day.
what is it your name?
Alan,
Alan.
And I'm Ziv,
Ziv, are you from?
Argentina.
Oh yeah.
America.
Da, 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 da.
Yes, yes. Thank you. If I come to the Bulgarian Sea, I have to put my feet in the water. If not, why do I come to the sea? It's cold weather, right? In summer too, do you know? No, it's nice in summer.
Nice in summer.
Oh wow. Thank you. What can we do today, for example, around here?
Nothing special. What do you want to do?
I don't know. Go karts, food.
Explore Varna.
It's his birthday tomorrow, so we want to know where to go.
It's not like before. There are not many things left in Varna, but you can still enjoy the nature.
Yeah.
Besides the cats in the park.
That's a very big treasure, no?
Nature, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah, for sure.
Some trees.
My name is Boris, by the way.
Boris, nice to meet you, Boris.
Nice to meet you.
Steve.
Nice to meet you guys.
Boris.
Dove.
Okay, great.
How are you doing?
So, any recommendations to go?
I'm walking this way.
Great. Okay, so let's go that way.
Nice to come back in the summer
In
when
the-
there's things to do.
Or in the night it's going to be open, this?
Sorry?
In the night it's open, this place? With people? Like, or not that much?
Yes, but I don't know what time they close. You can ask the bartender upstairs.
Wow.
You work here?
No,
Ah, okay,
just a customer.
We have here our new friend Dov. See, we say, okay, great activity, let's go to a park. The park is already closed because it's all season. So we have everything available for us. Oh, balloon darts. With Elon Musk also. Messi. We opening this. When is this opening? April. So great. This park is going to open in April, so we're still looking for a plan to do today. But still, nice Varna, nice views. Okay, apparently these coffee machines are really popular in the city, so we're going to try to understand how tasty they are. This cost cappuccino. What do we have? Cappuccino, 70 cents. It's like $1, something like that. No, less, right?
50 cents.
50 cents dollar. Thank you. So we'll put one cappuccino. Wow.
It's good.
Solid. So if you come to Varna, find these ones. You will pay a quarter of you will be paying a coffee downtown, and just for 50 cents of a dollar, which is 70 almost of this coin, of this currency.
How is it called?
How it's called? The
Lera.
Lea. Okay, we'll put it over here. You get a great coffee. Now let's still look for more adventures in this city. So what we found are the Roman baths. This is from the 2nd century. Now the place is closed, but it's in the middle of the city. So you can check the Google Maps location and come here.